after having a very rough first two sets, JP Torres finally coming alive, specifically here in set number 4 with a series of points for UST. And they have established a 5-point lead. Posey 16-11.
Finally finding his game and now having fun. All smiles for JP Torres. So unlike the first two sets, we mentioned they were all blank and no game faces for UST. But now,
what a block from Ramos and Torres. And I even think it was Torres who caught that ball. Yeah, I think it was Torres on the Lee hit.
But Lee was really way up in the air for that attack.
17-11. Luby sets it up for De La Vega.
Oh, but this time that goes in for De La Vega.
Stopping the bleeding.
12-17. Cerveza. First time on the floor. Ramos, look out!
I was gonna say, one blocker for Ramos, not enough, especially on that nice set by Ukang. Jason Ramos on the line this time.
Makasait, rejected by Ilano and Pecaña.
Perfect timing on that block by UST. Nag-fake pa si Makasait eh. Yung body niya was gearing towards an angle. Pero put it down the line, basa pa rin ng Tigers.
Biggest lead of the Tigers right now.
Oh, that was well read by the UST team. UST blockers.
8 points is the advantage, 20-12.
Combination play. Ganda na sana ng combination play ng Lasal, but
huli pa rin, ano?
Huli.
Medyo soft on that last serve. Ramos. But a commanding lead, 13-20 in favor of UST.
Oh, a little bit of hesitation when he was in the air on that last hit by JP Torres. At it goes long. Tumigil lang ako. Parang may split second na pagkatigil. And wala. Naging error for JP Torres.
Ilano the tip. Christensen plays setter. De La Vega. Ooh, what a tip. Makasait right there.
That's right. Good decision on the part of Makasait.
Timeout on the floor as you see the reaction of Coach Emmy Lontok. Let's listen to Lasal.
Mag-quick sa likod, sisingit yung isa. Nag-extreme tayo kasi dahil nga sa wala ng receives. Kaya di ba? So kailangan pasahan para magkagawa tayo ng set play. So kayo namang setter, huwag kayo mag-focus sa isang tao. Huwag binibigyan isang tao. Pag nahuli isang tao, baguhin ang set play niya. Kapag ganon. Galaw. Kaya natin to. Kaya natin lahat. Tama-tama lang.
More variety ay hinihingi ni Coach Sakailar, no?
Kasi pag nababasa ka na, that's why alam mo in a men's game, importante ang setter. You really have to have an intelligent, good court setter, sensible setter. Kasi quick decisions yan eh, mabilis. Kasi katulad yung sinasabi niya, huli na yung mga binibigay mo. Mag-iba ka naman. Quick hits, dapat quick decisions on your part.
And speaking of quick decisions, last minute, pinalta ni Torres yung tira niya. Caught the entire Lasal lineup by surprise. Point UST, 21, serving 15.
And no touch. Christensen asking for a touch, no goal.
Quick substitution here.
Chico Puzon for Mark Lee.
For Lee.
Makasait still trying to go to that corner.
De La Vega, the tip. Ukang picks it up. Pecaña sets it. Defante. Blocked, but
Poor,
that ball
poor decision on the part of JP Torres, letting that ball go. The Loiras, the libero now inside.
Still a 6-point lead for UST in set number 4. Defante. Good block. Defante soaring in. The tip this time. Nice dig by De La Vega. Makasait dumping it.
And UST really has been going for the tips, knowing that, look at that center portion of LaSalle's defense. Yeah, they're a little bit slower now, maybe because fatigue factor. Kaya pinapahabol nila doon. They're trying to drop it in the center.
Serving is the captain, James
2 points
Pecaña.
away from closing out set number 4 is UST, 23, serving 16. That's Pecaña serving, almost a service ace, free ball, UST. Defante.
Oh, and that's going to be long, but a check.
Check ball, point for
Check
John
is called
Defante.
by our second referee.
So that puts UST at set point, 24-16.
Set point for UST.
Makasait, that's definitely
Yes, that
not
was
going to
into
fly.
the net.
For Sanchez. And
we will
UST
go into a fifth
comes back
and
after
deciding
being
set.
down 2-0. Mosey to tie it up at 2 sets apiece and sending us into a 5th and final set.
Yep, after the first 2 sets, you kind of knew that this was going after the third set, actually, win of UST, you kind of felt that
Alam
this
mo
was
na,
going
no?
to be long.
Set number 5 coming up right after this break.